Hello guys, I'm very sorry about not uploading anything yesterday. So uh, I got into an accident. Just what is it? A like accident. My hands got what is it? Trapped between the door and I don't know. At first it looked like it almost come off, but nah, I just play with it. So this is going to be a recap about the book. I think I forgot to mention some of the things in the chapter 10 from the book. So think from what I got, chapter 10 built tension right before the game fully unfold, or where before the game started. It is the mentor and Snow trying to support the tribute right before the game start. But suddenly a boom explodes in the area, in the arena. So some of the tribute and some of the mentor got crushed. I forgot who is it. Then the chapter 11. At first, the capital paused the start of the game, but I think they cannot really postpone it that much. So they resume the game. So what happened is the arena that before it's like some kind of big ass room, but because of the explosion that destroys some part of the arena, it looks like a desolated place that have a lot of hiding place. And okay, so in chapter 11, it's in chapter 11. Okay, from looking at it, most of the survival doesn't want to fight because they are just kids back again. But from what we know about the Hunger Games series, if the survivor doesn't want to fight easily, they make something so they will fight. And I think I will continue it tomorrow, guys. I have a heart migraine right now. Maybe some fever, but my body doesn't feel hot. So maybe I will just finish it until 12. So it's 10 until 12, chapter 10 until 12. Then tomorrow I will finish it if I feel good enough. I'm really sorry, guys. Thank you if anyone hearing this.